Oop. Yeah, okay, hold on a minute. Need to see who's here.
She's in the hospital.
Yeah, we know.
I'm gonna take care of it.
Yeah, they told us yesterday. Who's here?
Go, 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 go.
Mr. Schroeder, please put your mic on mute.
Gotta make sure that's on. Okay, Jay, cut it up, cut it.
Can't put it on mute. Mr. Schroeder, please put your mic on mute.
So bad. Oh, watch out, turn it off. I got you. Honey, let me get into the wind. Feel better. Trying to fucking. God damn it, dude. They're gonna kill me.
Jefferson County Court at law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 24 CCCR 0338. Case to style the state of Texas versus William Scott Schroeder. Mr. Schroeder is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Schroeder is represented by his attorney, Attorney James Paget, who is present in court. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. And state is represented in this case by Attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, and yourself?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Schroeder, how are you doing?
I'm okay. Sorry about that. Video problem.
Okay. Now, Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Schroeder's case?
Your Honor, we just received discovery, video discovery, and I have all the written discovery now. So if you would give us 30 days, Mr. Hubel's going to make an offer and we'll be able to announce or dispose of the case on the next day. And he will appear in person.
Okay.
And make it clear.
Give us a reset date.
If you could just admonish him to appear in person, I appreciate you, Your Honor.
Give us a reset date.
July 29th.
Okay, Mr. Schroeder, this case will be reset to July 29th of 2024. On that day, you need to be in court in person. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. And
Monday, that Monday is just a problem for me, Your Honor. Any other day that week is fine. If we
okay, just hold on, Mr. Schroeder.
either Wednesday or Friday, whatever pleases the court.
Give us another date.
I just want to make sure I avoid the conflict right now. Before we wait and it
The
becomes.
31st.
That's July 31st.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you.
Mr. Schroeder, your case is going to be reset until July 31st. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You need to be here in person on that day. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir. You don't do it.
You're bad. That's my only case. May I be excused?
Yes, you may be
Thank you,
excused.
Your Honor. Have a great day.
All right, same to you. You can get your reset. Don't forget to get your reset.
I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
One of them.
Okay, bring your key. I closed the door. This is Christopher Anderson, cause number M 328-148.
Mr. Anderson, they made Mr. Anderson an offer. Can you hold that so I can visit with him?
Okay, we'll hold.
Try to get more time to pay and apparently didn't happen.
This is cause number M 319-621. Case is style of state of Texas versus Severio Israel Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, is that your name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gonzalez? That's good. Mr. Gonzalez, you're represented in your case by your attorney. Bruce Smith is the attorney. However, appearing for Attorney Smith is Attorney Brennan Mitchell. Does Mr. Mitchell have your permission standing for Mr. Smith?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Mr. Mitchell,
Yes, sir.
how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Judge. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Let's see. Oh, thanks. Mr. Gonzalez, I have before me a motion to withdraw as counsel that was filed by your attorney, Bruce Smith. Have you had an opportunity to review this motion? Have you read the motion?
Oh, yes.
Okay. You have any objections to Mr. Smith withdrawing as your attorney?
No, sir.
Okay. Court is going to grant this motion to withdraw. And Mr. Smith will be relieved of his duties as attorney in this case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Gonzalez, your attorney, Mr. Smith, has been relieved of his responsibilities in this case as your attorney. Let me look at this here. He filed a, I guess, let's look at this. Must have took a while to arrest him.
I was never looking.
Okay, yeah, see, this case was filed in 2018. Apparently they arrest you. The first time they arrested you was in 2022. So you was out, I guess, that was like 4 years before you were arrested on, well, August of 2022 is when you were arrested. And on January 17th, of 2023, Mr. Smith filed a letter of representation. Okay, this is 2024. Okay, so we're gonna put this case on the announcement docket. You have an attorney. If you don't have an attorney, we still proceeding on. Okay, we're not gonna delay the case If you want to get an attorney, now you have three options at this point. As a matter of fact, Ms. Bailiff, we need to give him judge's explanation of rights to defendants without attorney. I just give him that clipboard. I'm going to go over your rights that you have regarding your right to have an attorney. Now, this case was transferred from County Court at Law number 3. Is that correct?
That's great.
Okay, so it was transferred over to this court. So I guess the case sat in County Court at Law number 3 for a while. Let me see, when was it transferred over? Actually, it was transferred in August 31st of 2023.
What, you may have the whole.
Yes, and just give them the clipboard. I'm going to go over the first document with you. The first document should be judge's explanation of rights to defendants without an attorney. Do you see that title? Okay, and the document states as follows. As a defendant in the criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you an opportunity to apply for a court-appointed attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Now, that basically means that you may waive your right to an attorney or give up your right to an attorney and represent yourself. Now, if you want an attorney to represent you and you have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do that. If you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, then you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Now, the questionnaire is the document on that clipboard that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Injuries. You'll have to fill out the first page and half of the second page, and then the court will review the document to see whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. And if you want to waive your right to an attorney, that is, give up your right to an attorney to represent yourself, you'll have an opportunity to talk to the district attorneys or the prosecutors that's in court to see if y'all can, work out a plea bargain. Now, you may not speak to the prosecutor unless you first sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. The written waiver is on the clipboard, and it is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding a Trial. You should be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you, including the loss of significant rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Now, if you choose to represent yourself, you may change your mind at any time and request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that? Okay, now, at the bottom of that document, in bold letters, it states, defendant's choice, mark initials next to only one choice. If your choice is to have your case reset to hire your own attorney, you'll put your initials on the first line to the left. If you've already hired another attorney to represent you in this case, you'll put your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney, then you will put your initials on the third line to the left. If you have already been appointed a court-appointed attorney in this case, then you'll place your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, then you'll place your initials on the fifth line to the left. Once you have finished initialing one of the 5 lines, then you will sign your name on the line that is titled defendant, and you will date it today's date, May 22nd of 2024. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may make your choice. You have a pen?
I got one, Judge.
Oh, thought should be a pen on the clipboard.
Oh, there is.
Oh,
Mr. Mitchell, could you
Yes, sir.
hand that clipboard to me? Let's see.
Sure can, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, so you want to case reset? No, just gonna we just resetting this 30 days, no more than 30 days. Alright. Okay. Mr. Severio Gonzalez. Severio Israel Gonzalez. You need a reset. Day reset, no more than 30 days.
June 24 or the 26th.
It's gonna be the 24th. Okay, we're gonna reset this here. For June, you say June 24th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the case will be reset to June 24th. Wow. You can get your reset, Mr. Gonzalez. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. There you go. This is the motion to withdraw that I was saying. Here you go. Next, let's see. Next case is cause number M332556, case of style of state of Texas versus Terry Tyrone Lewis. Okay, Mr. Lewis, your full name is Terry Tyrone Lewis.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Lewis?
Man, how fast?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Lewis, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Bruce Smith. Attorney Smith is not here, however, standing in for Attorney Smith is Attorney Brennan Mitchell. Does Mr. Mitchell have your permission to stand in for Attorney Smith?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Lewis, again, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
You okay? That's good. Now, Mr. Mitchell, what is your announcement in Mr. Lewis's case?
Judge, this is a case that has got some massive issues to it. The state's previous attorney in this court, Colby, came in here and told you at the bench that he was dismissing this case. We released my client that day. That was on 8/30 of 23. And then I was noticed after that he changed his mind. It was reset several times. It was reset today in order to give Andrew time to review the case. I don't know what the state's wanting to do, but it's become an extremely undue burden on my client, Your Honor, and I would ask that the court hold the state to their word of dismissal since they told the court they were dismissing this case.
I mean, do we have that on record?
There's no record in this court, Judge.
Yeah, I mean, how do
But I can
we?
get Colby down here and we can put him under oath and he can testify.
Yeah, but I mean, well, I mean, the states, apparently, I mean, they changed their mind.
Well, I mean, we can absolutely have a bench trial this afternoon if you got time, Judge.
Well, we set trials and to get witnesses and stuff. I'm looking at this case. This is the DWI second. I don't know how they're gonna be able to get police officers and all of those individuals. We can set it for trial
And that's what.
and give you a priority and get you a prior and give you a number one setting.
I mean, how fast can we get this done, Judge? Because I mean, it's.
Okay,
almost 9 months.
well, but normally the state, I mean, it's 9 months because you gave the state an opportunity to get whatever information that they needed to get.
No,
Okay.
Judge, they just wanted to review the case.
Okay, and you agreed to that. Okay, to let them have time to review the case. And so they reviewed it and they decided that they're not gonna dismiss the case. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set it for trial. We're gonna give you a number one setting.
Perfect.
And give us a trial date. Well, yeah. And let's do this here. We have to get with our court, with the court reporter. And the court reporter is out sick today. And so she'll let us know, it's gonna be within the next 30 to 45 days. I can tell you.
The only times I'm out, Judge, is June 18th to the 23rd.
No, it can't be June 18th through the 23rd. That's what he's saying. Anytime,
See, I'll leave that.
so anytime before or after he's available. That's what he's saying.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set it for June 24th, and we just all have to just get with Amy to make sure she's available. If something changes, I'll contact you all.
Okay, so it's gonna be June 24th. Is that good for you?
Should be, Judge.
You say you'll be back on the.
Yeah, I'll be back on the 23rd, so. Make sure I don't have any other trial settings.
Oh, well. Oh, yeah, see, Bruce Smith is the attorney.
Well, he is, Judge. I'll be the one trying the case.
Okay,
No, it's not working. I'll make it work.
this is the last page of the announcement docket.
You said it's gonna be June 24th?
June 24th, yeah, of 2024 for trial. Make sure we have all our witnesses. I don't know if there's experts involved or not. But, we need to make sure that we have our, the witnesses available.
I don't have a suppression file before that. Do you want a pretrial before that? Do you hear any pretrial motions? Do you just want to hear them?
We can hear him, I mean, we can hear him during trial.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
See you then. Judge.
Okay, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you'll be free to go as well.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, all right, y'all welcome.
Your Honor, may we approach again on Mr. Anderson?
Anderson?
Yes.
Anderson. Let's see. That's Christopher L. Anderson. Okay, Ms. Anderson, your full name is Christopher L. Anderson?
Yes.
How you doing, Ms. Anderson? That's right. Can't be better than being blessed. Now, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Mark Faggart. Mr. Faggart, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor.
And Mr. Faggart, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, the state has made an offer to Mr. Anderson that he wants to accept. And he is going to ask the court for a little more time to come up with the restitution money. It's a probation offer, and the state's gracious enough to waive the fine and the cost, but he still needs time to come up with the restitution money.
Now, you understand that you say it's a probation offer, restitution is paid over the terms and condition of probation. It's not a lump sum
I
payment.
did explain that to him. Unfortunately, he just lost his job. So what I'm going to ask the court to do is give us a reset on the plea docket. How long will you need before you can start making payment? 30 days, plea docket on 30 days?
I think his first payment is not due until 30 days.
I understand. If you reset it for 30 days
Yeah.
on plea docket, it'll be.
Okay. Let's, State, you have any objections?
No objections.
Okay, that's gonna be just 30-day reset. No more than 30. Give us a reset date. Was that the June? I thought it was June. Was that June 24th? Or June, let me see, the day is the,
Okay, June 26th?
no, what is it? June 24th. Okay, this case will be reset to June 24th, 2024 for a plea.
Thank you. We appreciate
Okay.
your courtesy.
Okay, now, Mr. Faggart, you're gonna get your reset. And Mr. Anderson, you're gonna get your reset from your attorney. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Faggart, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
That's great. I have a case tomorrow that's.
Yeah, you gotta, yeah, or the prosecutor. Yeah. Okay, who else to, Mr. Crum? Mr. Grove,
Yes, sir.
you, you on, I think you're, the person that you're here for is in custody?
Yes, sir. I understand he's in drug court.
Oh, he's in drug court.
That's what I understand. yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, I sent over a text to, advise on their, status.
we haven't received, okay. So once we receive word, we'll let you know.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Yeah, that's fine. Just wait till we find out about it.
Okay, thank, what about Miss, have we heard anything on McMillan? He's in custody.
Set, reset. Right?
McMillan was reset,
I
the,
haven't done it yet.
the wand?
Yeah.
Okay.
She said,
We're working on an offer, Judge. This is my first appearance on him. I'm also handling the jail run for tomorrow, so I was planning on going to see him today if there is an offer. So hopefully by next time we can have it resolved.
Add him to the docket tomorrow, just in case.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, you can just add him, I mean.
Add it, and then
Okay.
if not, then we'll just reset up to whatever.
Okay, just reset it till tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, and Ms.
There-
Minaldi, is that the only case,
I believe
only
so.
defendant you have today? Okay, you're free to go.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah. Okay.
The jail run? One out of eight.
And there were some that y'all had rescinded.
Yeah.
Just whenever, when I got it, I'm going out there today.
Okay.
Yeah, just add him on.
I can go ahead and.
Sir, that door is locked. You gotta go through the other door.
You know.
Court is back in session and calls number M 333124. Case is filed, State of Texas versus Corey Holland Roberts. Mr. Roberts, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Roberts?
Good, yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Roberts, I have before me a motion to revoke probation. You have a motion to revoke probation. I have before me a motion to dismiss the motion to revoke probation. That was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. And state, you're requesting that this motion to revoke probation be dismissed,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay? And that is also the sentiment of the probation office, Mr. Gilliam.
Yes, sir.
So the court is signing this motion to dismiss the motion to revoke probation. And so, Mr. Smith, Mr. Roberts, the court has just signed its motion to revoke probation. The court see that you were initially placed on probation on June 7th of 2023, 1 year. Your probation will terminate on June 6th of 2024. All right. You can get a copy of this motion to revoke probation from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And congratulations. That door on that side is locked. You have to go through the other door. Okay, so the state is dismissing the case that we had left on our trial docket. Stephen Mark Sadler.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Because your attorney is unavailable, due to, what I just mentioned off record, and you have a felony case, we're gonna reset your case on the same day that your felony case. And so when that is done, on that day, you need to appear here first, check in with the bailiff, let her know that you're here, and then go to the felony court, take care of that matter, and then come back here. And you and your attorney could inform us as to what y'all want to do in this case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just have a seat in that chair by the wall, wait for your name to be called by the court coordinator. Once your name is called, go to her window. She'll give you your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I didn't realize that you were represented by Attorney Matuska as well. You heard what we told the previous client, so your case has to be reset.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, I was wondering.
She started looking at me, I was like,
Okay, let me do this here. Okay, let me do this here. If you need to discuss something with the probation officer, I'll give you an opportunity to do that. Okay, you can go ahead on and discuss it. Okay, now we're back on the record in cause number M 326-744, case style state of Texas versus Alice Marie Broughton. Ms. Broughton, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Broughton?
I'm fine.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Broughton, you're representing your case by your attorney, Ryan Matuska, who is unable to be here this morning because of an accident that occurred.
Yes,
Now, Ms. Broughton, this is a motion to revoke probation case. You talked to Mr. Gilliam. And you don't have any other cases pending, right? And the reason why I'm asking that is because if you had another case pending, we would set both cases on the same day.
oh, no,
Okay, so this case is going to be reset to give you an opportunity to talk to your attorney and for your attorney to make an appearance.
and for me to pay.
Hmm?
And for me to pay.
And for you to pay. Okay, so that's an agreement that has, oh,
No,
okay, let me do this now. You are still on probation. And so everything that all of the conditions of probation still apply. Okay. All right, so we're going to reset this case. Give us a 30-day reset. What was that date? Yeah, I was. Okay, this case will be reset on July 3rd of 2024.
okay.
Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you,
I would feel better if you reset that.
y'all want to reset?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, They're gonna reset, Alvin Bullock III for motion for early term. Reset it.
For another hearing.
Yes. It's gonna be reset for another hearing, right? How much time do y'all need? 2 weeks?
Yeah, if Mr. Macon's not available, I'll take care of it.
Okay. Give us a reset date.
June 5th at 10:30.
June 5th at 10:30. Ms. Jones,
Yes, sir.
Bullock's, Mr. Alvin Bullock's case is gonna be reset for hearing on June 5th, 2024. Are you available on that date?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna reset it at, what time? 10:30? Okay. Mr. Roebuck, I guess you could come and get the reset for Mr. Mackin?
Yeah,
Next case is cause number next two cases rather, cause number M330292 and cause number M333124. Both cases are, well, that's just one case. I'm gonna call the first case. Cause number M330292. Case of style of the state of Texas versus Christy Lachelle Bounds. Ms. Bounds, your full name is Christy Lachelle Bounds. How you doing, Ms. Bounds? That's good, Ms. Bounds. You're represented in your case by your attorney Roebuck. Attorney Roebuck, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. State is. Now, Ms. Bounds, this is a motion to revoke, your probation, is that correct? Okay, now, Mr. Roebuck, what, is your, okay, what is the status of this case? Is this, her first or second appearance? Because I know that she hired you to represent her.
Well, it's the second appearance in this revocation.
Right.
So, I requested and Ms. Bounds has complied. She went off to rehab.
Oh, okay.
It's, and I don't want to put words in everybody's mouth, but it's my understanding that once she provides verification that she was in rehab, the state's going to dismiss the motion.
Ms. Simmons, is that,
I
do
would
you,
have to confirm with ADA Erica Porter if that's not something that was relayed to me.
okay, and Mr. Gilliam?
Our recommendation is that she shows a certificate of completion,
Got you.
and she still owes $70, and she's already agreed that she's gonna be able to provide verification of both of those, and then probation will recommend that. dismissal.
okay, but this,
And that's what I've been informed as well. She needs to complete the classes, provide that completion to probation, as well as the $70, and that'll be the dismissal.
yeah, okay, so there's a balance of about $70 that's still owed.
And I'm in, right now, IRP where I attend 4 times a week.
That's good.
And I'll show that to my probation officer, and that's what she stated, and whenever that is handed to her.
Okay, let me ask this question. How much time do you need to pay off the balance?
I'll within 2 weeks.
Okay,
So I think it was 2 weeks.
okay. And the other thing, if you completed the program, they would have given you a certificate.
I have to sign a release one, and I'm going to email that back to them or fax it to them for my lab work and the dates that I was in there and the transfer to the IOP.
Okay, but I thought you said that you need a certificate of completion.
Right.
Yes.
And I'm working on
Okay,
that.
okay,
Paperwork.
okay. So how much time do you need get the certificate of completion?
It'll probably be within the 30 days because it was in my treatment plan to continue IOP. So as soon as I'm finished with that, then I'll have that completion.
Okay,
So within 30 days, I believe.
you need Mr. Roebuck, so you need about 30 days? Okay, give us at least a 30-day reset.
July 3rd.
Is July 3rd fine? That's a little bit more.
Yeah, we gotta be in Liberty on a bad occasion, third judge, so we could have.
Okay, a week later is the
Yeah.
10th, I guess, a week before.
Well, wait a minute, no, what day is the third?
Oh, Wednesday.
No, that'll be okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll reset this case to July 3rd of 2024. Yeah, and I'll just say to be dismissed upon completion of the program and payment of the balance.
Okay.
And Ms. Bounce, the court would like to commend you for taking charge and control of your situation to go into rehab. I tell people this all the time. The road to recovery is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And you know the difference between the two. Marathon is a long race, the sprint is a short race. However, during that journey that you are going on to recovery, there will be a lot of, you'll get tired along the way, but there are a lot of support that you have, support from probation department, DA's office, your attorneys, but also the people that are with you in the program, as well as family members. So if you get tired along the way, make sure that you lean on those individuals who can give you the support so that you can continue your journey.
Appreciate that. I would like to add something.
Yes.
I learned that, following the 12 steps and now the big book, that everything starts to fall in place. And I've got a job opportunity to work at a detox unit as I'm a nurse.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's a substance abuse, and I just want to contribute, and I'm working on my sponsorship also for AA.
That's good. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day, and you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Roebuck. Okay. Oh, that's right. You have one more?
So many.
Okay.
That just popped up.
Mr. Bullock, your attorney, Mr. Macon, is ill, is not able to be here today. So your case, they asked that your case be reset. Your case was reset until June 5th of 2024 at 10:30 a.m. on that day, you need to be here in person. Okay?
Oh, okay.
All right, so you need to be here in person on that day. June 5th of 2024. All right? You're free to go,
Alrighty.
and
All right.
you have a blessed day.
You too now.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, this is cause number M 333-264, case of style of state of Texas versus Javier Flores. Ms. Flores, how are you doing?
Okay, Your Honor.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Flores, you're representing your case by your attorney Tom Roebuck. Mr. Roebuck, what is your announcement in Mr. Flores' case?
Yeah, I'm still working on that.
Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on the pretrial conference docket. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset. Pretrial conference.
July 8th or the 15th?
Get filed, yeah.
Okay, 15. So we reset to July 15th, 2024. Mr. Roebuck, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, Mr. Flores, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You as well, thank you.
Okay, you can stand over here. Next two cases are cause numbers M 328-053 and cause number M 330-391. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Jason Scott Fontenot. This case was transferred?
Yes, there's
Okay,
two cases. I don't know how it happened, but
It got transferred to this court.
yes.
On County Court at Law number 3. Okay,
You're just fine with me, Judge.
okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Fontenot, your full name is Jason Scott Fontenot?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Fontenot?
Very.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Fontenot, you representing your cases by your attorney Thomas Roebuck. Attorney Roebuck. What is your announcements in Mr. Fontenot? These are some old cases.
I started to put it on the trial docket, Judge, but if you'll set this on the July 15 docket, maybe we can work it out.
Well, I'm gonna just put it on a trial docket because these cases are old. I mean, you can
Okay.
work it out.
That's
You
fine.
still can work it out off the trial docket. Okay, give us a trial date.
We can do July 15th.
Okay. This case is gonna be reset for July 15th for trial. Mr. Fontenot, you're gonna get your reset from your attorney. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Roebuck, once you get your reset, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day. Do we Mr. Vallejo? Hmm? Galejo? Well, it's Galejo and Dad's Vallejo.
Gallego, Vallejo.
Gallejo Vallejo.
Gallego.
Yeho?
No, go. Gallego.
Gallego,
Gallego.
gallego,
Gallego. Okay, a gallego.
Gallego, Vallejo.
gallego.
Keep trying, Judge, keep trying.
Yeah, I'm working on my Spanish. Okay, now, Mr. Gilthorpe,
Yes,
how
Judge.
are you doing?
Doing well. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Now, we have your client here in court. It's set on our announcement docket. What is your announcement in this case?
Judge, that's gonna be a trial.
Reset it for trial?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, does he speak English? Oh, he
Uh,
doesn't, could you explain it to him?
I'll explain to him. Señor Gallegos, estamos fijando su caso para un juicio final.
Okay.
Okay, and give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to July 15th, 2024 for trial. Could you explain that to your client?
Yes, sir. Señor Gallegos, le están poniendo una fecha nueva para el 15 de julio de este año para un juicio final, ¿ok?
Okay.
Okay, it's Mr. Gallegos. Okay, Mr. Gallegos, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, he's free to go, and tell him he can have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Señor Gallegos, le van a imprimir un aviso de su corte nuevo, entonces cuando le den esta hoja, ya se puede ir por el día, ¿ok?
All right,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
And you're welcome, and Mr. Gilthorpe, you're free to go.
Thank
And
you,
you
Judge.
have a blessed day. Your reset will be sent to you in the mail.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Okay, next case. We have. Okay,
Your Honor, on this case, and correct me if I'm wrong, we're requesting it be set on a pretrial conference docket. Mr. Cole has given me information.
Mr. Campbell, would you please come forward?
Can I continue, Your Honor?
Yes.
Mr. Cole has given me information regarding the complaining witness that I want to follow up on, and that may decide how we move forward on this case.
Okay, how much time do y'all need?
A standard reset would be fine, Your Honor.
Okay,
That's
so we're gonna reset it. Give us a standard reset in this case. A pretrial conference docket. Give us 30 days. Okay, this case will be reset to July 8th of 2024. Mr. Campbell, your case is gonna be reset to July 8th, 2024. Your attorney is gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And you have a blessed day as well, ma'am. Yeah, and you have a blessed day, Mr. Cole.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. And, okay.